Welcome to the Bowl Outdoor Kitchen 3D Configurator, powered by PowerTrack Visual CPQ. Once you log in, click the Configure New Island button. You will be prompted with two different guided processes for choosing your base configuration. Design Wizard will bring you to a list of all the available islands and offer choices on available accessories. Begin Design will bring you to a form with simple questions to help narrow your options down. After completing this step, you will be prompted to name your design, and then your base configuration will load into the 3D scene. Use your mouse to navigate the camera around the 3D scene. Holding down the left mouse button will move the camera left, right, forward, and back. Holding down the right mouse button rotates the camera around the center of the scene. Holding both the left and right mouse buttons will move the camera up and down, and the scroll wheel zooms the camera in and out. The panel to the left of the 3D scene contains all the products available for your island type. Click on a product to add it to the scene. You will see it appear on the island if there is a spot available. The top panel contains scene-specific controls. The cart button opens a list of all the products in the scene, their quantities, prices, and the total cost. Clicking on More Details will open a pop-up with a second look at the cart, an exit button for exiting without saving, and a Finish button for exiting and saving the design. The second button toggles the interface visibility, and the third button opens up the tool panel. The tool panel contains an information icon for accessing basic information about the island, the camera controls panel, and the room tools panel. The camera controls panel contains buttons for switching between a 3D view and a top-down view, as well as a button for capturing and saving a screenshot of your scene. The Room Tools panel contains an Edit Room button which allows you to edit the size and shape of the patio. After clicking the button, the patio will be replaced with points and lines. Clicking on a point will allow you to move the point or change it to a curved corner or sliced corner. You can also numerically change the length of a side by using the input labels. The Delete button will turn on Delete mode. While in Delete mode, clicking on any products mounted to the island will delete it from the configuration. If you would like to replace a product on your island with a different one from the product panel, you must delete the existing one before you can add its replacement. Make sure Delete mode is turned off before continuing. The last button will reset your view. This is helpful if you navigate the camera too far away from the island. Right above the island is the product handle. Click and hold on the handle to move the island around the patio. Clicking on the handle will also open the product pop-up. The first button, colored red, will switch your island's base material between rock and stucco. The next button opens up the Finishes panel and a Filter Finishes pop-up. The Finishes panel allows for selection of different finishes to apply to different areas of your island. The Filter Finishes pop-up allows you to change between different groups of finishes. The product pop-up also contains another info icon for accessing the info panel, another Zoom Extends button for centering the camera on the island, a rotate button for rotating your island 90 degrees, and a lock button to lock your island so it can no longer be modified. You can also change the name of your island configuration in the input field. Thank you for watching this tutorial of the Bowl Outdoor Kitchen 3D Configurator.